Hello guys, I'm Captain Blitz and I will show you a new server. So this server is Insanity PvP. So yeah, it's like mostly PvP and it's a lead server. So yeah. Okay, I'm so slow in scripting. There's 1v1s, you build UFC, FFA. Okay, like that. Then you somewhere here you can love someone. I don't know why. Kind of weird. So I don't want to join because build UFC, I have nothing, I have no gear, so yeah. So the server IP will be in the description and the server port. So yeah, we'll just show you around. So the owner is Silent Souls. Let's go here. New game mode, FFA. So you can just do more build. Like that. I have no gear, so yeah, no gear. So the lag. So you just PvP here, you can get iron gear. Okay, what the heck happens? Let's go back to spawn. So this service is a bit buggy, and you can see here some very buggy. So yeah, let's just quit, then rejoin. So okay, it's somewhere here. It's this one. So let's join. Okay, over here. Then you can buy like some stuff, and it's pretty cool. You can buy fishing rod for PvP, cobweb, cake. This is awesome. You can also do 1v1s. Tap the redstone block to see the top killers. So top killers are it's hard. What the heck is it? So Silent Soul. Oh, the owner. Tap the gold block to see your stats. Read that. Nice. And yeah guys, thanks for watching. I'm Captain Blitz, and please make sure to subscribe to my channel and like if it's nice. See you guys soon. Bye guys.